Hi guys, this is Cooking with Victoria. I'm gonna make pancakes! As you can tell, I'm in a kitchen where there's a stove and a refrigerator and everything. So, basically I got the easy one where you just shake and then you pour it. So I'm assuming you shake it and then you pour it. I dropped it. Okay. So, you shake. Da-na-na. Shake that pancake batter. Da-na-na-na-na. Okay. I think it's shaking. Open it. I'm so confused now. Okay. So you shake it and then you pour it. Isn't pancake batter supposed to be thick? This is powder. I don't understand. Maybe I didn't shake it hard enough. Okay. Do 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 do. Okay. It's still powder. Oh. Whoa, I'm so mad. Mom! Madre, it didn't work. Didn't work. It did not work. Answer me. I need assistance. What? Says you shake it and you pour it and it's still powder.
Did you read the directions?
It didn't come with directions.
Did you look in the back?
Oh, there's a... Oh, okay.
Do you know how to read?
I know how to read. Okay. Get up close and personal with y'all so you can hear me. Do not eat raw pancake batter. Oh, okay. So there are 3 steps. Step 1. Add 2 and 3 cups of cool water to container. Okay, basically you just add water. I'm not reading the rest. Okay. Now, okay. Now, I can't find anything. Okay. I don't know how to do cups. Hold up. This might take a minute. Do you do this? Okay. 2 and 3 cups. 2, so 2/3. Can y'all see me? I think y'all can. Do 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 do. This is taking too long. No wonder I cook. No wonder I don't cook. Okay, I think this is enough, right? It says 2/3. So it would be like this much. Okay. Got it. Shake container for 30 seconds. Okay, well 30 seconds seem like a long time. Can we do like 25? Okay. Oops. I made a mess. I didn't do anything. It's exploding! It's not closing! So you shake it or something?
Oh,
It's all wet. Nasty. And so, okay, and it says shake, oh, and then like do the corners too. Is it supposed to be thick? wasn't. Oh, I think I messed it up. It doesn't look thick. It says shake it. I'm getting a spoon. Oh, work. This is why I don't cook. See, I'm making a mess. I ain't cleaning this. Mom, you cleaning this up. Ew, you see my arm fat. Okay. Oh, I didn't warm up the skillet. Okay, high, and then. Oh, this. Okay. Let's put like butter in here. I don't think I did this right. Just put. I think I messed up. We're not eating pancakes for dinner now. For breakfast. I think I did this wrong. I think I put too much water. It said 2/3 and I did 2/3. Huh? You talking about me?
You put 3 cups.
No, I.
2/3.
Oh, oops. It's still gonna work. Okay. I think I did 2 cups instead of 2/3. This is why I don't do cooking. But it's still cooking Victoria, and we're gonna cook these. These seem lumpy. Whatever. Okay. Is it hot? It's hot. Okay.
Chocolate chips.
Oh my god, is this on high? It's not boiling! Well, we're gonna add chocolate chips in it because we're awesome people. This is not thick. I legit ruined pancakes. That's the easiest thing to do. My life. Okay. This is not working. How did somebody mess up on pancakes? I'm disappointed in myself. Well, this is burning.
Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in.
It's gonna. This is like eggs.
Yeah.
This is burning. Maybe cooking with Victoria is not a good idea. This is. Don't do what I do. Okay, you know what? That's enough. This is why I don't do cooking. Okay, that's it. We're making pancakes, and we're gonna make it right this time. We're gonna make it right this time.
The plate's right there.
Making it. Ugh.
Do you put it in the toaster? Or no?
I'm putting it in the toaster. Wait, you put in? Oh, I might. Oh, wait, hold up. I don't want to ruin this either. There's no instructions. Say read the. Oh. It's
Do you know how to
microwave.
read?
It's microwave. Let's put it in the toaster. Do not leave microwave unattended while heating product. Remove okay, yeah. Wow. Do it right. You do it right the first time. You don't pull out the frozen one. Okay.
It's hot.
Cook time. 10 seconds. Okay, now you wait. We wait. And we wait. And we wait. It's done now. Just 10 seconds. Says 10 seconds on the back! That don't work! According to higher charge, heat thoroughly and add to. Oh, wait. If it's not heated, you add 10 seconds to it. Maybe like a minute. All I saw was 10 seconds. I'm assuming put it in for 10 seconds. No, if it's not cooked thoroughly, put it in for another 10 seconds. And lies. No, it's not. Maybe if we add another 10 seconds, it would help.
These are good pancakes. You should subscribe to my channel.